The Cabrio 5.3 cubic foot high-efficiency washer from Whirlpool keeps your clothes looking newer longer with a better clean and better care. This feature-rich washer boasts innovations like adaptive wash technology that senses each load and adapts water levels and wash actions based on the type of load being washed. Active spray technology virtually eliminates the need to pre-treat clothing, and the Precision Dispense feature ensures optimal cleaning by releasing pre-mixed detergent, fabric softener, or bleach at exactly the right time. The easy-to-read LED display illuminates your selected cycles and tells you how much time is remaining, while the Quiet Wash Ultra Noise Reduction system keeps sounds inside the washer and out of your living spaces. Ready to upgrade your washer? Learn more about the Cabrio High-Efficiency Washer at nfm.com or visit us in-store in Omaha, Kansas City, Des Moines, or the Colony, Texas, and talk to one of our product specialists.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.